Look at these young people. Bob is training to be a mechanic. Mary is studying at university. Sue works as a cashier. These young people show that after finishing school, there are various roads a school leaver can choose, be it getting higher education at university or college, taking up vocational training, or going to work.
In the UK, after finishing secondary school, you can apply to a university. Good exam passes are not enough. Universities choose their students after interviews. British universities are comparatively small. The approximate number of students studying there is about 7,000–8,000 students. A university usually consists of colleges. The departments of the colleges are organized into faculties. The academic year in Britain's universities is divided into 3 terms. In the university, students have a series of lectures, seminars, tutorials, and laboratory classes. Lectures are given to large groups of students, while seminars are much smaller than lectures. Lectures and seminars are all 1 hour in length. Laboratory classes last 2 or 3 hours. After 3 years of study, a university graduate will leave with the degree of Bachelor of Arts, Science, Engineering, Medicine, etc. Later, he may continue to take master's degree, 1 year of study, and then a doctor's degree, from 2 to 5 years. It goes without saying that research is an important feature of university work.
Britain has more than 90 universities. The oldest and best-known universities are located in Oxford, Cambridge, London, Birmingham. The foremost universities are the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge, both founded in the Middle Ages.
About 2.5 million students are enrolled in further education, much of which is work-related. The main subdivisions of vocational education are technical, commercial, art, agricultural, and horticultural. Academic work and professional training differ from college to college. Some colleges provide sandwich courses or short full-time block release courses. Many students between 15 and 18 attend mainly part-time courses, either by day release or block release from employment, or evening courses. Part-time training also includes correspondence courses and distance learning, as well as refresher courses. A wide range of national vocational qualifications, designed mainly for people in work, are based on national standards that define the competence, knowledge, and understanding that employers need.
In the lesson, you have come across the new words. Let us pay attention to them and their meaning. Complete – закончить, завершить. Drop out of – быть отчисленным, исключенным из. Apply for – подать заявку. Graduate from – окончить высшее учебное заведение. Enroll on – зачислять в учебное заведение, на курсы. Hand in – сдать работу. Win a scholarship – получить стипендию. Do an apprenticeship – проходить период обучения. Study – учить, готовиться к. Attend – посещать. Place – position – место в университете, должность. Classmates – colleagues – одноклассники, коллеги. Prospectus – syllabus – проспект учебного заведения, расписание занятий. Subject – lesson – предмет обучения, урок. Qualifications – qualities – квалификации, характерные черты. Funding – pricing – финансирование, ценовая политика. Fees – prices – плата за обучение, цены. Loan – grant – заем, кредит, стипендия.
Pay attention to the idioms related to education. Beat around the bush. Ходить вокруг да около. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. Старого дурака новым шуткам не выучишь. Carry the can for something. Нести ответственность, отдуваться за других. Dream up an excuse. Придумать оправдание. You live and learn. Век живи, век учись. Have the time of one's life. Отлично проводить время, веселиться на славу. Be one's cup of tea. То, что нужно.
To talk about your plans and ambitions, you will need the following phrases. Have you made any plans for next year, after the exams, etc.? What are your plans for next year, after the exams, etc.? What are you planning, hoping, going to do next year, etc.? I'm going, planning, hoping to, thinking of. I've decided, made up my mind to. I guess, think, I'll. If I can, I'd really like to. I think it would be great to. I've always wanted to.